Hi everyone! Welcome to my new series on decoupage. Over the next few episodes, I'll show you how to turn ordinary seashells into beautiful decorations. And what can you decoupage? You can decoupage a clamshell and use it as a decoration or a trinket dish. You can also decoupage a scallop shell, or even make a garland to decorate your home. On this one, I even decoupage the beads to match the shell. You can turn shells into Christmas ornaments or make a matching napkin ring. A large oyster shell works beautifully as a trinket dish, and you can even create a wine bottle stopper. You can decoupage shells in all kinds of shapes and sizes. In the next couple of episodes, I'll walk you through how to prepare your napkins and share a few tricks along the way. I'll show you how to clean and prep your shells, how to decoupage them, and how to add the finishing touches. And it doesn't stop with just shells. You can decoupage a wine bottle, a pumpkin, an Easter egg, clay ornaments, wooden ornaments, and even a stackable pumpkin. The possibilities are endless. If you are interested in learning how to decoupage seashells, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. I'll see you next time in the second episode, where I'll show you how to clean and prep your shells.